Hello, all. It's a very fine, hot Monday evening here where I am, and it's June 10th, 2024. Can you believe it? Almost halfway through the year. Anyway, I just had to share this with you. What? Oh, wait. Do you hear that? I hear music. You want to hear some music? That's the Smiths. Great 80s band singing Stop Me. Oh ho ho, stop me if you think that you've heard this one before. Where are you going? Where are you going with this? I guess you can tell by the thumbnail. Person, a person, a human being. Person with first human case of bird flu. Strain dies in Mexico. The WHO confirmed. The WHO? Who? The WHO. Not Pete Townsend and Roger Daltrey. But the WHO, the World Health Organization, run by Tedros, the Ethiopian guy, the war criminal. Please, YouTube. I'm not giving medical advice. I'm actually reading mainstream news. So don't shoot the message. I'm just here reading for the people. Anyway, so in short, this was published on June 6th. Keep that date in mind. In short, a 59-year-old man with prior health complications who contracted a subtype of the bird flu in Mexico City has died. The WHO confirms. The 59-year-old died on April 24th after developing a fever, shortness of breath, diarrhea, nausea, and general discomfort. Okay. The victim had no history of exposure to poultry, other animals, farms, chicken farms, whatever, or other animals, but had multiple underlying, and also had multiple, not one or two, multiple underlying medical conditions, and he had been bedridden for 4 weeks for other reasons. I don't know. Prior to the onset of the acute syndrome of diarrhea and fever and nausea, which caused him to pass. I don't know what the several underlying conditions that he had. He was laid up in bed for a month, was not near any chickens or farms. I don't even think he ate any chicken. And he died. He died of the bird flu. How'd they figure that out? Post-mortem, they tested his corpse, and with the PCR test, those wonderful devices that can you dial it up or dial it down to come to any conclusion you'd like. But wonderful, it's just wonderful. You need an answer, you get your own answer. You make your own answer. Anyway, so this guy who died like over almost a month and a half ago, and they dug him up or what they did. They tested him post-mortem with the PCR. He had the bird flu. Underlying medical conditions. Where have you heard this before? Does this ring a bell to 2020? Does it ring a bell, anyone, to 2020? Huh? Well, yeah, maybe. People dying with things and not of things. Yeah, we're at war, man. We're at war. These people are at war with everybody on the planet. Everybody but them. Psychos. I just had to share that with you because it's just so loony. Because here we go again. Deja vu, fuja day, whatever you want to say. I'm just here having a Topo Chico. Ooh, some Mexican drink out. Bird flu in there. He died from drinking Topo Chico. Anyway, don't jinx myself, right? Anyway, here we go again. I think they're running out of things. They're running out. I think they don't have many cards left in the Illuminati card deck. They're just pulling. They just, oh, I get that one back. Oh, we'll try this again. Whew. Anyway, but everyone have a wonderful day. Peace. I love you all.